Okay, for this problem, what I want to do for this problem, guys, is what is the slope of the line? If you guys remember, each point is a coordinate, right? So every coordinate has an x and a y value. X and a y value. Correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to subtract my x's and subtract my y's. The biggest mistake students do is they subtract a 5 minus a negative 6 and a 7 minus a negative 9. That's not what we're doing. We're subtracting 5 minus a negative 6 and 7 minus a negative 9. Okay, we're subtracting those two units from each other. So what I'm going to do is I need a way to distinguish my x's from each other. So I'm just going to label this one x1 and this one x2. Then I'll label this one y1 and this one y2. And the only reason why I do that is because the general formula says to subtract your y's. So they say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And really what they mean is just pick your y's and subtract them, and just pick your x's and subtract them. That's really all it's saying. But the reason why they give you ones and twos is to make sure that we subtract them in the correct order. So I would need to make sure you subtract them in the correct order. So this is going to be 9 minus a negative 6 all over 7 minus 5. Remember, it's the change in y over the change of x. Whenever you have a double negative, that now becomes a positive. Ooh, I guess you can see my bloody thumb actually. 9 minus a negative 6 is going to be a positive 15 over 7 minus 5 is a positive 2. Okay? Which, yeah. So we'll just leave that reduced 15 over 7. Cool?
Cool.